Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. As you can see here in the diagram, these prokaryotic cells are smaller in size, microscopic in size up to 5 micrometers, while these eukaryotic cells may be 5 to up to 100 micrometers. In the prokaryotic cell, this cytoplasm is not compartmentalized, while in a eukaryotic cell the cytoplasm is compartmentalized. That means here in the eukaryotic cell different membrane bound organelles are present, while in the prokaryotic cell these membrane bound organelles are absent, or as their name indicates, these prokaryotic cells lack nucleus. They do not have nucleus, while this eukaryotic cell have a true nucleus. Here in the prokaryotic cell, the genetic material is present in the cytoplasm itself, and the region of the cytoplasm where genetic material is present is called as nucleoid, while in the eukaryotic cell the genetic material is present in nucleus. In eukaryotic cell, nucleolus is present where ribosome synthesis occurs, while in the prokaryotic cell nucleolus is absent. In prokaryotic cells, the ribosomes, the organelles which are present in the cytoplasm are the ribosomes only, and these ribosomes are 70S type, while in the eukaryotic cell the 80S type of ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm, and here some organelles also contains ribosomes like mitochondria and chloroplast. They also have ribosomes, and here the both 70S type of ribosomes present in this organelle. So we can say that in prokaryotes only 70S type of ribosome is there, but in eukaryotes both 70S as well as 80S type of ribosomes present. In prokaryotic cells, the different membrane bound organelle or double membrane organelles absent. In eukaryotic cell, membrane bound organelle or double membrane organelle or single membrane organelles present. Here the genetic material is a single circular DNA, while in the eukaryotic cell the genetic material is arranged in linear chromosomes. Here in prokaryotic, that is single circular DNA, in eukaryotic arranged in linear chromosomes. Along with this, here in the prokaryotic cell the genetic material is naked DNA. Here histone proteins absent, while in eukaryotic cell the DNA is bound with the histone along with non-histone proteins, and the DNA along with histone and non-histone proteins is called as chromatin material. अब हम इसको क्या कहेंगे? Chromatin material. Here in the prokaryotic cell the introns are absent, while in exons only exon region is there in the DNA. Introns are absent, while in the eukaryotic cell introns and exons both are present. Here in the prokaryotic cell, replication, transcription as well as translation, all the processes occurs in the cytoplasm. But in the eukaryotic cell, replication occurs in the nucleus, transcription occurs in the nucleus, while translation occurs in the cytoplasm.